Hello, my name is Aaron Rodriguez, and today I'm going to be presenting to you the website edpuzzle.com as a learning tool. So first off, for those who aren't familiar, Edpuzzle is this website where you can create your own content, use other people's content, or kind of do a mishmash of both. And I'll show y'all what I'm talking about right now. But first off, Edpuzzle is a website where you can make and create content for your students. And what's very unique about this website is that you can create content that is turned into a quiz. So I like to use this specifically for homework. So a great example would be, all right, we have talked about the Great Depression today. I want y'all to go home and review the material. So instead of the kids going home and saying like, yeah, well, I read the 2 chapters, whatever, I'll take the quiz in the morning and hopefully I pass. We can test them and quiz them in real time. A great example would be this video right here over the Great Depression. So that, as you can see without playing the video and making this very loud, right here on the side you can see multiple choice, multiple choice, multiple choice. But what does that mean exactly? What is going on? What is that? So what's really cool about this is that you can create YouTube videos or even take YouTube videos that are already created and bring them onto this program and edit them in a way where there's live quizzing going on. So that's what this is right here. They took a video from YouTube, they put it into Edpuzzle, and they wanted to make a quiz out of it. So the first question of this video is, did the Great Depression begin because of the stock market crash? Well, how would we know that information? Well, they just said that information in this video. They just went over it. So if the kids are really paying attention, they could say, oh, I just heard that. Yes, they did. Or no, it didn't. Which is really cool because it gives us the opportunity to really make sure that these kids are getting their lessons done and really paying attention to the material. So as I told you before, yes, you can do it with pre-made videos from YouTube. I know a lot of people like to do that, but there's also custom-made ones. So this sign rule, sign A and B. And what's even awesome about this is they even made it that there's open-ended questions. So here they're gonna give you a problem. Is this the right angle? Yes or no? And we will not worry about the law of consonants, and then you would have to answer freely. So instead of answering yes or no, the teacher wants to see, well, how deep do you understand this material? What level are you at? Are you just barely there, or can you get the concept totally? And that's what I think is so amazing about this, that there's so many things you can do with it, from taking videos and making them into quizzes, making your own videos into quizzes, and just keeping kids on track. And I think this is super awesome also because in our day and age, so many kids are on their screens, and so they can just see this and be like, well, yeah, I get it. I use my screen all the time, so why not just give them more screen time with this quiz? And it's super easy, just something that you can just assign them in your content. So I don't have anything right now, obviously, but you can easily just put something in your content, send it to the kids via email. They just need to click on it, or even right here, as you can see, my classes. You would upload your classes. They can just come on, hey, I need you to do this video tonight, and then you can see and you can grade them based on how they do on these quizzes. So I think it's awesome. I'm really excited to get my hands dirty with this and really integrate this program into the classroom. So I hope y'all are too, and thank y'all for listening.